Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale gently, arch your back and lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. Move slowly with your breath. This pose help arm up your spine. Sit comfortably on the mat, stretch one arm up and gently bend to the side. Keep your chest open and breathe deeply. Feel the stretch along the side of your body. Relax your shoulders. Sit back on your heels, lower your chest forward and rest your overhead down. Arm released, breathing slow and calm. Allow your body to fully relax. Sit comfortably on the mat. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knee drop gently to the sides. Hold your feet and keep your spine stretched. Breathe slowly and relax your hips. Stay calm and comfortable. Sit with your legs extended. Stretch in front of you. Keep your spine tail and shoulders released. Place your hands beside your hips. Breathe steadily and stay present. Step one foot forward into a low lunge. Lower the back knee gently to the mat. Lift your chest and lengthen your spine. Breathe deeply and feel the stretch. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes and relax your body. Focus on your natural breathing. Stay calm, still, and peaceful. Twist on spine gently to one side. Look over your shoulders and breathe deeply. Spinal twist helps clear the mind and improve focus. Sit comfortably in the easy pose, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Feel calm, relaxed and blissful. Lean back slightly and lift your legs. Keep your spine stretched and core engaged. Hold the pose and breathe calmly. Focus on balance and control. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Thank you yourself practicing yoga today. If you enjoyed this section, please like the video and subscribe for more claim and business friendly yoga. See you in the next practice.